What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. I have to take out the F-bomb, otherwise YouTube doesn't like to recommend this video. It's Friday! Love me Fridays. Friday, 25th. Damn, 6 months from today will be Christmas. Hold on. August, September, October, November, December. 5 months. Fudge! It's Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Love me Fridays. Absolutely love me Fridays. Those fucking people on these electric bikes zipping down streets. Yesterday, the Pipe Doctor team said goodbye to a team member who decided to part ways with us. He's been with us, been with me from the beginning. Not from the beginning. He's been with me for a while. I'm looking for a place to put the phone. There you go. He's been with me for a while. Put it there. Yeah, right there. He's been with me for a while. The other Mike has left the building. It's unfortunate to see someone from your family leave. However, it was time to go. Just keeping it real. It was time to go. And now I'm in the process, and I should have done this a long time ago with him. Right? Now I'm in the process of cleaning up the mess left behind. It's not an easy mess, it's a big mess. But what the fudge do you have this plastic bushing? Why are we schlepping this around? Oh my God, it makes no sense. Old parts and garbage. Oh. So I will be spending, look at this. Why is this in the truck? I don't get it. I really don't get it. So now I'm cleaning up the mess. And I've already dumped. I'm still on the first shelf, and I've already dumped 3 5-gallon pails of garbage. Garbage. Schlepping around garbage. I don't get it. I guess it is what it is. And there's shit all over the place, I swear. Look, hose caps here, hose caps there, hose caps everywhere. So, I'm organizing this truck. At least I'm trying to organize it. Every expensive control that I open up, every single expensive control that I open up, or even inexpensive control, every single box has been opened. Every single box. It's like he's a parts changer. When he realizes it doesn't work, he moves on to the next. I can't. I really can't. I was literally everything. Look at this. I was literally moments away or days away from shutting down the plumbing side business because it's a losing battle. When you have the wrong person running plumbing calls, you know what? It just not even breaking even. And I just can't anymore. I had to stop. So yesterday, the other Mike came into the office a little bit early. Not that I asked him to, but he knew it was up. And yesterday was his last day. Sad to see him go, and I wish him the best, but I think we all know that it was the best decision for all parties involved. Like, can someone explain to me what the fuck this is doing in the truck? You know, it's just whatever. It is what it is. So here it is, Friday. Love me Fridays. I'm contemplating whether or not to do a free Friday today. I would have to go to the store. I gotta eat more hot dogs. Maybe I'll just do cotton candy and popcorn. Anyone need a, is this a right temp? Yeah. No, is it? Kohler. Shower body carts just hanging out in the truck. You know what? I should just throw it in the fucking garbage. I really should. Like, there's just so much just waste. Like, look at this. Look. Fan center relay. Look at this. Look. Come on. Are you I can't even. Just throw it in the garbage. I can't. I literally can't. Literally thousands upon thousands of dollars of just material just wasting away. You know what? Let's see. Was this messed with as well? No, this looks brand new. Dual valve. At least looks intact. But so what I'm doing now is that I am actually taping every single control box shut. I am going to bring it back to the shop inside, and then we're going to organize everything. I'm going to make sure everything is like fairly new. This is a good control. That's going to go there. I'm going to make sure that all the parts are where they need to be. I worked on one shelf. I'm schwitzing like a momser. And it's 5 minutes to 7 here in the morning in the great communist state of New York. I don't get it. I really don't get it. And it's not like I didn't take care of them or nothing, you know? I take care of the guys. You know, I was taught that if I take care of those who are part of your team, that they will hopefully do the right thing for you. Okay, so like we have a Fernco, a 4x3 Fernco here with I swear I can't. I really can't. Tell me it's a fucking flapper with the Ferncos. No, it's a test plug. With why do you have Mike, I need to breathe. Mike, breathe. Oh my god, what is this fittings with Mike, breathe. I'm trying to breathe, folks. I think I need to come here. I don't even know. This is just a fucking pigsty. This is absolutely. It looks like it's organized, but everything is just thrown everywhere. There's no rhyme or reason for anything. So disorganized. I can't. A random washer just sitting on top of a fucking hose. It's upsetting. It's upsetting that when you had an individual who you trusted for so many years to just like, I don't know, it's just like totally disrespectful, you know what I mean? Totally disrespectful. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so we have this one, right? And then I have another one here. I know they're different, but like, what the fuck? I gotta go. All right, I made some progress. My top shelf here, water heater stuff. I gotta work on this. Relief valves, safety switches, pilots, things like that. And this is a pop-up assembly. I don't know why I made its way up there. I wiped out all these shelves here. I found, I think 18 4-inch adjustable smoke 90s. I emptied these trays out. He had multiple fittings of multiple things. It made no sense. I'm gonna work on this after I do a couple service calls this morning. And then we'll tackle this side. It's very alarming to see Like, look at this. Look at this. Look, see that? This is complete disregard for company property. And completely taking a shit on me. Seriously. Completely taking a big giant dump right on my fucking face. Look at this. Complete disregard. You know, I actually feel disgusted right now that I actually took care of him. Every single holiday season, every single time he needed a day off, I gave it to him unlimitedly. This is a complete slap in the fucking face. I'm sorry. Look at this. A complete slap in the face. Scratched up. God damn it. Fucking dumb fuck, man. I swear. Thank God he fucking left voluntarily. Because if I would have saw this right now, he would have been terminated. Fucking stupid motherfucker. Are you fucking serious? What the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ. Every single fucking thing is open. Oh. I'm done. I'm done. Later, Mike.